papaya, when you peel it, color white inside, right? So you can use the peeler. See? Just like that. It's easy. But if you don't have to pull anything like that, or cheese grater, you can use your knife. See? You do like that. You see street vendor when they do it, right? Do like that. And then after you chop them like that, so you cut them like that. See? Like that. You see street vendor when they do it, right? Like that. Okay. Some people like it crunchy chunk, so you can cut them bigger piece. But to be safe in your life, easy when you have a tool like this. We use that for the carrot too, yeah?
Yeah.
See, like that. See? All right. What you have in here, you have garlic, so you have one set each, yeah? Put the garlic in the mortar, please. And you bang the garlic, make it open and take off the skin. Ooh, smell good, isn't it? That's our secret. Black pepper, garlic, coriander root. That's a three king in Thai food. ให้แขกช่วยให้เขาช่วย You have to do something ให้แขกเป็นคนละอย่างนะอ่ะนะคะพี่กาเลนคนหนึงใส่ผักคนหนึงใส่เครื่องก็
Yes.
You took the skin out, you said?
Yeah. Good.
Theผัก Was your soup spicy?
It was okay.
Yeah, I think
It
it's
was not so
okay.
spicy.
Yeah. Put the chili in and make chili open. Bang, bang, bang. Okay. I know that Ryan like hot,
I need one more.
the half one.
Yes, thank you.
You wanna do a little bit more?
Yeah.
Yes. Because Thai people they make it very hot, but papaya salad is like spicy, flavorful. Okay, that's good. Okay, now coconut sugar. 1 spoon. If you haven't tried before, pinch it, right? 1 spoon like that into there. And tamarind sauce, 1 spoon into there. Fish sauce, 1 spoon. Spicy, sweet, sour, salty, 4 flavor.
Mhm.
Yeah. ลมพัดไปไม่ใช่ไม้ฮิตแม็กซ์วินดี้เนี่ยไฟแม็กซ์เลยต้องไฟแม็กซ์เลยเนี่ยนะพี่น่าปล่อยไปเลยมันแห้งเส้นใส่เลย Okay, sugar and salt, that's kind of dressing. Now the bean, you can use the knife to cut or use your hand about that size. And when you put the bean in, you don't smash it. You want to eat the bean crunch, just bruise them gentle, that's all. Yeah. And this, the roasted peanuts. This is my precious thing.
Oh, wow.
To smell, it'll be fun for you to smell. You make your
Oh, very
own
strong.
yes, yeah. So you bruise the bean already? Okay, good. Now peanuts in there and bang the peanut. Do you want to break, that flavor, that roasted aroma in there?